Okay, in this video, I will share with you one of the easiest strategies that you can use to trade Volatility 100 index. But before you use these strategies, guys, just go and backtest it or use it on a demo account first to see how it works, right? So here's how the strategy works. First, we are going to use three indicators, right? The EMA is going to be used to find the trend, and the CCI is going to be used to find momentum, and then we are going to use the MACD histogram to see if there is strength on the market. So first thing is you want to find the trend using your EMA, right? So this is the EMA that we are going to be using, right? So this chart might be a little bit messy, but it's very easy. You understand it, right? So basically you want to go to your chart, and then you want to go and add your exponential moving average. Just change your period to 50 right here, and my line I will change to black, and then you see that this is the moving average that I have right here. The next thing that we want to do is you want to add the CCI, right? So the CCI basically is an indicator that works to find momentum, right? So there's basically three levels that you want to understand, right? There's level 100, level minus 100, and then there is level 0 right here. So some platforms might not come with level 0. You just want to add it because we are going to use it on this strategy right here. So basically the way that this works is if the CCI is above level 100, then that means the market have got bigger momentum. Momentum is strong, right? And then if the market goes below minus 100, then it's weak, right? So these two are the strength edges of the CCI, right? So if you just go to your platform and then you add the CCI commodity channel index right here, right? So basically the way that this works is you can see we have level plus 100 right here and the level minus 100 right here. So when the market is going all the way above, right, the momentum is strong, as you can see. Let's say, for example, right here, right, the momentum is strong and the market still goes to the upside, right? But then when this bullish move starts to lose momentum, you can see right here the commodity channel index or the CCI goes below negative 100 right here. Then next we want to add the histogram filter, right? So the histogram filter is just going to help us to see if there is strength in this market right here, right? So basically, since this is a synthetic index, right, most of these basically works because it works on levels of technical analysis, just using technical analysis because if you are trading synthetic indices, you don't care about the volume of the market and you don't care about what the news might do. You just looking at technicals and trying to just find patterns, right? So just trying to find patterns that repeats over and over again, right? So you go to your platform again, and then you add the MACD, right? You just go and add the MACD right here. So I'll use the default settings right here, but then you just go to lines right here and remove the signal. We don't need the line, we just need this these histogram bars right here, right? So now let me show you how the strategy itself works. So for you to get a clean buy trade, here's what you need to do. First, you need to have price above the EMA, right? So you want to have your price above the EMA. Then the next thing that you want to do is you want to the CCI to cross above 0, right? And then you want the histogram to have green bars and rising. So you want them to be rising, and at least if you get when the histogram is just starting, then it's going to be better. So let me show you an example of a trade that you can get right there, right? So at this point right here, you can see the market moving above the moving average right here. And what happens also is that when the market was above the moving average right here, we get a crossover on the CCI right here on the level 0. And then if you look at the histogram was just starting to go to the upside, right? Now this trade right here could be in drawdown right now, right? So it's not a holy grail strategy, but let me show you some of the examples that were very, very strong, right? So look at this trade right here. You can see that the market is above, right? All this time the market have been above the 200 the 50 EMA, I mean, right? And then at this point right here, somewhere at this point right here, right, we can see that the CCI the market crossed above level 0, which means it was turning from being weak to having momentum. So here, as the market crosses right here, the same thing also happens right here, right, which was also at this point right here. You can see right there, right? And also, what do you see on the histogram? You can see that we had the histogram rising up at this point right here. All right. So this means at this point, this was going to be your buy trade. All right. So this was going to be your buy trade. And then your stop loss needs to be below the 50 EMA. And then your take profit needs to be 2 times or 3 times the risk, right? So it can be 2 times, it can be 3 times, or it can be 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, because this strategy here, right, is you are just trying to get momentum, right? So you can use it for scalping, but sometimes you get a bigger move. But I would recommend that you stick to, let's say, 1-to-1, 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio, so that you can just ride up this momentum right here as the CCI goes to move above level plus 100. These were the 2 trades that you could have placed on this one move right here. This is where you could have timed this one move right here and entered your trades right there, right? So I'll find you another example where this happens right here, right? So you can look at this right here. The market is above the moving average, right? And then what happens to the CCI? You can see the CCI going from the lower side, right, to crossing above the level 0 right here. And then also on the MACD, you can see that we had a rising histogram where the histogram was now going to the upside right here, right? So this one could have maybe stopped out, but also it was an entry signal for this strategy, right? So the other way that you can get good entries right here is if this crossover on the CCI, and then you have your histogram like this rising, and then if this happens at the same time when on the market, you can see the market is exactly touching the 50 EMA and bouncing on it, and also creating like a candlestick right here, right? But you don't want to overcomplicate this, but you can see these 3 things aligning very well right here. So you can see the market making a bounce on this moving average right here. So the same thing also happens right here. So you can see on Volatility 100, it happens a lot. So if you want to do this on other synthetic indices, it might be different, but here I found out it happens a lot. So you can go ahead and try out this strategy for yourself, and also use it if you like. And by the way, if you want to get free trading signals, check out the link in the description. Come to this platform right here where you can get trading signals each and every day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.